All right, everybody. So today, working on this 21-foot sea hunt and doing a product review on Meguiars Marine Cleaner Wax number 50. This stuff is about 30 bucks a bottle, but it works really good. Going to show you how to use it. Going to show you actually how to wax a boat, and hope you enjoy it. Also, it's going to be an overall product review. You're going to be able to come to the conclusion if you like this product or not, just by looking at the results here. So going to be filming in 4K, going to be wearing the GoPro on my head so that way you can see exactly what I see. And without further ado, let's get straight into it, y'all. Let's go. All right, everybody, so going to be doing this cleaner wax, Marine RV cleaner wax, and what I'm going to be doing is taking out some of this oxidation that you see here on this part of the boat. I'm using a random speed rotary polisher with a synthetic wool pad, and I'm getting straight into this. So first thing I'm going to do is plug that in like so. All right, just using a little bit just like that. This is designed to easily restore color, brilliance, and gloss while adding unsurpassed long-lasting protection in one easy step. It removes light oxidation, haze, minor scratches, swirls, plus its anti-corrosive ingredients help fight rust. Powerful protective ingredients provide long-lasting protection against salt, air, corrosion, and the sun's ultraviolet rays. Shake well, apply to a dried surface, and I'm going to show you how to use this right now. As you can see, I'm going to keep that on 1500 RPM, no faster than that. I'm going to keep it at an angle. Now I'm going to go up and down. You don't have to wipe this product off because it automatically disappears as you work it into the gel coat. Do not overwork the product, and as you can see, it's already making that disappear. Crosshatch pattern, keep the polisher moving. Do not lay it flat. Up, down, side to side. Crosshatch pattern, up, down, side to side, left to right. You can see how fast I'm moving this. Work it till it disappears. You can also apply it like so, and then spread it around. Do not run it fast. If you run it fast, you're going to be wasting product, and then on top of that, you risk burning the gel coat. But by running it slow like this, you ensure that the product is getting worked in, and the product is not burning up and disappearing, because the product itself has oils in it. You can see that it just removed Doesn't take much. I'm not using a lot of pressure. You can also polish the metal there. Works just fine. You do not want to put too much product on here, because if you put too much product on, you're going to be wasting product. Much like I just did by dropping that on the ground. Be careful of that. As you can see, leaving a nice shine and not having to wipe it off, using the polisher and the pad to work it in. Repeat over the entire boat. That's how you use Meguiars cleaner wax number 50 marine and RV wax. Hope this helps y'all. It's a very short video, self-explanatory. It's not rocket science. Hope you enjoy this. Take your time, enjoy cleaning up your boat or your RV, and enjoy the shine after. So hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this.